BSLK Stock announces next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So both projects holdings stocks been sitting at 50 cents and it is like 41.73% increase in price. That's just Friday. And if I look at the weekly performance, end of week report is like 62% now, which is cool. This is second last week between the week close of the year, but like I've done 33,000 videos and spent thousands of those course mentions over the last 4 years, and I've documented it all. With BSLK specifically, since the price like broke up here, I was like, right, the only thing right for me to do here is if I see a double break to take the price up. And what happened is it actually never gave me the double break, it gave me like one, not even a break, just moving up and then started to pick down. And now we're here. I mean, in theory, just gonna be honest with you, more like than not, we're gonna be clearing the lows out. And it's not like I'm gonna force anything neither, but like, look at this 4-hour chart. We saw the first break. Not real directional bias with this one here, but I'm telling you, like, if I see some lower double breaks beneath some lows like that, then and only then I'll take things lower. So I'm not assuming, I'm just reacting, and I'm going to react off of the price breaking down. So in the meantime, I'll keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and clean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.